Pinsan ko yan. Babe! Sure. Wow! Thank you! Ganda! Let's go! Nakuha na natin yung cake sa Sweet Relief. Soda. Uy! Nabasahan na ako ng... Hindi ito kami na. Ayan. Eh, tumumba si JC. Wala nga, di ako nakabili eh. Wala nang time. Reveal! JC's birthday with participation ng Pepito! Sige. Thank you. Peter. Wow!
Yeah.
Ay, parang sarap nga mag-birthday dito.
Playground pa ate.
Kuha ng ulan, maganda. Hi! Eh, buksan na nga, Mi.
Laptop! Ay, dali na.
Hello!
Ayaw ba? Dali, may susi. Oh.
Happy birthday, JC!
Happy birthday!
Oh.
Okay lang, pwede.
Ay, mag-wig ka! Ang ganda, wow! Birthday girl! Lumalakas na po. Ay, si Pipito! Ay, day! Ay, lobo! Birthday! Bonggi bisita mo ha, si Pipito. Swimming ka na. Pepito party! Ayan. Go, Pepito, go! Hi! Babe. Peter! Rape! Habang may Pepito! Preparation! Wow! The birthday girl! With star-studded! Ayan na! Sa Pepito! Pepito birthday! Tara na, babe. Babe, okay ka lang? Mga tayong bulubi. Hi, madam! Madam! Happy birthday! Wait, Pepito!
Madam JC. Good evening, everyone! Ready na ba kayong lahat para i-celebrate ang fabulous 35th birthday? Celebrant na si JC. Okay, sayaw muna daw, sabi nila. Sayaw muna, okay? Dito ka muna, madam. Oh, di ba? Pero I'm thankful that you guys are here. It's been 5 years. You know, matagal ako nawala. There's a lot of obstacles that I've been through. And I miss you all and I love you. Dun sa mga, especially sa family ko. And to my friends. I know na kahit anong nangyari, kahit anong nagawa ko in the past, I know you guys are always here with me. So, thank you. And from this point forward, I promise that I will be present and I'll be aware, you know, sa inyong lahat. I will help as much as I could. And then kayo, you know, whenever you need me, I'll be here. Thank you, I love you all. Okay.
O yan, pagkakain, si Bap. Thank you, JC! Takasa tayo! Hindi ako napapayungan. Bakit? Ay! Happy birthday, JC, uli! Ayan mo. Zero visibility. Ayan naman, babe. Punas.
Hindi ka makita.
Yung punas, yung ginagawa mo.